Right, will it start? Put the ignition on first, see if it says anything, or beeping at me crazy, or doing anything it shouldn't be doing. No. Dimming the dash. Right. Oh shit! Right, these things happen and you have to own up and be honest. I broke the customer's car. My fault. I didn't have to tell him. I could have repaired it. I could have just maybe even tried to repair this, or I could have lied to him. I could have done loads of things, but I didn't. I rang him, I told him I broke it, and I've also going to replace it with a genuine part. So I broke this here, and this is the way you buy it from Ford. The whole bloody unit. So yes, could have gone down second-hand route, could have done all that, but look, I didn't do it because at the end of the day, it was never broke until I broke it. So I'm replacing it with an OEM part and a brand new part just for the customer. You have to own up and be honest. These things happen. Could be worse. Right, just one of them days. Just had one of them days, and yes, when you saw me and I was like, what the hell is that? Dimming the dash. Right. Oh shit! I broke the fuel filter housing. Completely my fault. Now, I could have done a few things in this situation. I could have tried to repair it. I could have lied to the customer. I could have said it was already like that. I could have said loads of things to try and put the blame back on the customer. I didn't. I went out today. I bought a brand new, genuine one from Ford. You get all this, which is absolutely ridiculous. I only broke the top pipe. Ford gave me all that. It's the part number for everyone playing along at home. So yeah, look, it is annoying. I did tell the customer the truth. I could have gone down a second-hand route, but I didn't. I went for a genuine brand new one because at the end of the day, I broke it. It's not the customer's fault, so that's why I went with a brand new one. Right, job is done. I've taken it for a drive. I've had it ticking over. It's not overheating. We've got hot air coming out the vents. The fan is kicking on, so we know the system is absolutely working. I've disconnected the stop start because I wanted to, make sure it wasn't overheating or anything like that. So it's all good. I'm just going to double check the engine, make sure there's no leaks, make sure there's nothing loose, make sure there's absolutely nothing wrong there. But essentially, we are all done. And these checks are important. Now, we do have another issue with this. The ESC light is coming on, so the customer wants us to look at that. It was nothing to do with what we'd done. It was a separate issue. But so we're going to look at that. But yes, all is good. So as always, hope it helps. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget, links up here, links down below. But most important, don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Sorted.